The average American is the most frail creature on the planet. They wanted to get rid of the letter grading system for the same reason that they got rid of scoring in sports, because it was bad for their self-esteem.
It's that well-intentioned idiocy. That's what it is. They're not trying to hurt things.
They're making everything generic and the same for everybody, and that generic sameness is unfortunate for us, because what made America great are those extremes.
And what you said is exactly right. We celebrate diversity, but we try to say everybody's the same. Some people are just geniuses. You don't have to teach them to be a genius. It's just something they have that the rest of us don't. Some people are above average. Some people are below average. Bill Gates, he didn't go to college. He just stole DOS and went crazy with it. Making money off of other people's sweat.
Profit off of other people's hard work. I'm an average American.
The average American isn't just an idiot. The educated, sophisticated American's really a fucking idiot. They throw out like bits and pieces that they don't understand, and it's all negative now. In the 70s, it was like that. The average American's an idiot who doesn't understand anything about what's really going on.
The problem is that the average American is running the country now. These people are fucking morons. The average American is a fat ass, and I count as 2.
Doesn't that go back to we're all fat and happy and very comfortable?
That's an interesting point. Kids that are actually obese, but they're malnourished, because good, healthy food is so much more expensive than shit.
If you watch TV for more than 10 minutes, there'll be a $1 menu commercial out.
These parents are, hey man, I can feed my 2 kids on $4 a day. I'll just get them a double cheeseburger for lunch and a double cheeseburger for dinner.
Hey, the Whopper has fresh onions and tomatoes.
Any sub-Saharan village, you go there and you tell them the miseries of your malnutrition.
And what do I care about all those other problems in all those countries, man? I don't live there.
And that's the average American right there.